friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk to you about sensory bins. If you are not familiar with a sensory bin, you may also not be familiar with sensory play. Sensory play is essentially geared towards the senses of a child. Touch, smell, sound, taste, movement, balance. So sensory play encourages a child to explore things naturally. It allows them to play, create, investigate, and explore. So sensory play is incredibly important for children. Some of the benefits of sensory play: it allows them to learn different sensory attributes. For example, hot, cold, dry, wet, sticky, and smooth. This allows them to develop their awareness around these senses through hands-on play. Sensory play also supports language development, fine and gross motor skills, social interaction, and problem solving. It also can enhance memory and help build nerve connections to the brain. So sensory play has a lot of benefits. I love using sensory play in our home, and I was super excited when I found out that there are actually companies out there who cater to this and provide sensory bins. So I'm going to go through 3 different ones and I'm going to share the details of each. Now, I have found that a lot of the sensory bins that are available online are geared for children ages 3 and up, and that's because of choking hazards of small parts that come in the kits. So I just want to put that disclaimer out there. It's up to you, obviously, as a parent, what you feel comfortable with. So I am going to share 3 different companies with you. We're going to talk about Shine Bins, we're going to talk about Humble and Kind Shop, and we're going to talk about Young, Wild, and Friedman. Now I'm going to talk about these solely based on the price of the kit. So we'll start with the lowest priced option and work our way up. So the first one we're going to talk about is Shine Bins. So this is a Shine bin. This sensory bin is $16. However, they do offer a monthly subscription, and that runs you $14 a month. So I got this through their monthly subscription for $14. Some things that I do really like about Shine Bins is they offer an option for children 3 years and younger. So if you do have a little one in the home who isn't quite ready for the more small pieces that come in the other bins, they do offer an option when you sign up for the monthly subscription to choose the option of 3 and under or 3 and above. I really like that. They also have 2 different themes each month, so you get to choose which theme you would like to receive for your monthly subscription. I really like that option as well. Overall, I definitely think this is worth the money. You really can't beat $14 a month for a little sensory bin with some Play-Doh. You get to choose your option and you get to choose what age group your child falls into. So I really like this one. The next shop that we're going to talk about is Humble and Kind. This is an Etsy shop. Their Etsy name is Humble Kind Shop, and this is one of their sensory bins. So Humble and Kind offers sensory bins for ages 3 and up as well. They do not offer a monthly subscription, and you do not get to choose the age group of your child. However, they did recently come out with this primary kit, which I thought was really great. It's geared for ages 1 and up. So their kits run you $22, which I think is a great deal. There's a lot of different little things in here. You've got 4 different Play-Doh options, and overall I think that is a really great deal for this kit. So the third one we're going to talk about is Young, Wild, and Friedman. This is actually the first sensory kit subscription that I had found, and this is their kit. It is huge. I love Young, Wild, and Friedman. We've gotten several kits from them already, and while their kits are geared for ages 3 and up, I found that I can remove some of the smaller components of the kit, and then it's safe for my son to play with supervised. Young, Wild, and Friedman does offer a monthly subscription. It's going to run you $44 for the monthly subscription. You get to choose whether you want a boy subscription or a girl subscription, which I think is really great. And again, these kits are geared for kids 3 and up. However, they recently came out with this kit, which is the starter kit. So it's very similar to the last one that we saw as far as being for the primary ages, but it doesn't contain any of those smaller components that the other kits have. Something else I really like about Young, Wild, and Friedman is right now they're offering their holiday kits. So you can get a holiday themed kit in October, November, and December for $131. That's total for all 3 months, and they are themed: Halloween, fall, and you get to choose whether you want Christmas, Hanukkah, or a nativity as the December theme. Now, these are in addition to the monthly subscriptions. I really like Young, Wild, and Friedman. I think $44 for what you're getting is actually probably a really good deal. Again, it's quite more expensive. It's double the cost of the Humble and Kind kit and substantially more than the Shine bin. But again, you know, just for size comparison here, so you've got the Young, Wild, and Friedman, you have your Humble and Kind, and then you have the Shine bin up there. So that wraps up today's video. I hope you enjoyed this content. I would love to hear in the comments below if you're familiar with sensory play or if this is something new to you, and also if there's a sensory kit that I didn't mention in this video that you really enjoy. I think that is all that I have for today, but I will see you again very soon.